Hi, collective. Let's see what's going on. What's going on in the energy between you and the person on your mind. Let's see what's going on. I'm picking up on an energetic cleanse. Yeah. Someone is coming out of a lot of bondages. Someone is coming out of this limiting mindset, very negative, limiting beliefs about how their life is supposed to look. For a lot of y'all, this is a very difficult journey that this person is going through. I'm picking up on no contact. Like you both are in very minimal contact or no contact. For a lot of you, I'm picking up on, someone being blocked or someone being blocked off your energy because this is their own karma. Like this is something that they need to deal with on their own. This is not something that you're not supposed to be a part of their life, like an active part of their life during this phase that they are going through. This person works very hard. Like I'm picking up on someone who's a workaholic or someone who's very ambitious, someone who's very driven, passionate. And this person feels that you are also doing the same. Like this person is thinking of you in ways which they don't necessarily think that, they could think about someone in such ways. Like what I mean to say is like when they usually in the past when they fell in love or when they had emotions for people, for their partners, for the people they were interested in, they used to think about them in specific ways, so in loving ways or in ways sexual ways. But this person is thinking about you in ways like what do you do during the day, what do you like, your interests, how do you work, how does your mind work. Like this person is understanding that you have become a very integral part of their mind and they don't know how it happened. Like it happened so smoothly and the process felt so natural that it is something that they don't even question now. We have the Three of Pentacles. This person is definitely working on something. I'm picking up on someone's energy who is very practical, but at the same time, like this person's mind is quite mysterious, I would say. Like, even this person doesn't know how difficult or challenging they can be sometimes because of their ambitiousness. This person is very ambitious. I'm picking up on someone's energy who is highly ambitious. This person's career matters to them a lot. Like they want to leave a mark on the world, especially in their work field, whatever work field they are in. This person is really busy. Yeah, we have a Queen of Wands in reverse. This person is really busy clarifying certain things from their life, like cleansing out things from their life which don't serve them. And this person is in this energy where they are letting go of a lot of things. With the Queen of Wands in reverse and the Ten of Cups in reverse, I'm picking up on someone who is letting go of a past partner. I'm not picking up on a third party. Like, this is not someone who is bothering the connection as of now. This person is a past partner because we have the Ten of Cups in reverse. Your person, the person you have in mind, your partner, they thought that this person can be the one for them, but like it immediately fell, in reverse. And they are actually processing it. It's not like they are hurt or they are processing the grief, but now they are understanding the mentality around it and what actually happened. I am picking up on someone who is very practical. This person is extremely practical. Your person is extremely practical. Give me, who is this Queen of Wands in reverse? Can you tell me more about this person? Yeah, we do have a card. Yeah, we have the Six of Wands in reverse. Communication has stopped. I think, this person was expecting a victory with this person. This person might be connected to their career in some sort of way. Maybe, this person chose to develop a connection with this Queen of Wands because they felt that they work in similar fields and they have similar interests. So they felt that this could work out, but it's not actually happening that way. It's not unfolding. Yeah. This person is rather focusing on you. So we have the Queen of Pentacles. You're coming up as a Queen of Pentacles, and we have the Ace of Swords for you, and we have the Wheel of Fortune. What I'm picking up on is that someone like, sorry, your person is in this energy where they see you very clearly now. With the Queen of Wands in reverse being here, you know, Queen of Wands in reverse is also someone who uses their promiscuous nature to get their way in life. For a lot of y'all, I'm picking up on two situations. This person thought of you as a quick, casual partner, and eventually you both will move to different paths in your life. But now they are realizing that, you are actually the Queen of Pentacles. You are someone very grounded, rooted, respected. You're very grounded in your energy, and you are focused on the future. You're very focused, you're very driven. I'm picking up on a very authentic energy. You've found yourself. When you met this person, you were a different type of an individual. Maybe you were a little bit distracted. Maybe you were in this energy where you didn't know how to control, not control is not the right word, but how to express yourself sexually. Maybe it was all over the place. I'm not judging it, but what I'm trying to say is there's a difference. Like, from the past energy and the present energy is actually quite different. And the future energy is extremely different. There's like very opposite energies that I'm picking up on. Like, you have switched, you have changed. And this person is now realizing that, you were always clear about your life. Like, you don't owe this person or anyone an explanation, and you're actually very rooted in it. It's not performative, it's just a part of your personality, and this person is seeing it for the way it is. With the Wheel of Fortune being here, I'm picking up on someone who is very impressed, but at the same time, this person is, this person is a well wisher. The person you have on your mind is a strong well wisher, and they know, like, it's like it's a strong belief that they hold within themselves that you are going to get what you want in life, especially in the matters of money and financial success, because you're very driven, you're focused on the future, and you just adapt according to the circumstance. Like, you know what you are here for, and you're very driven, you're in the right direction. Even when you don't know your next steps, you just follow your intuition, which is one of your biggest blessings. And this person is clearly seeing this for the way it is now. What I'm picking up on is this person was connected to someone else. uh, Tarot is gender neutral, so queens are just energies, don't focus on the gender here. This person was connected to someone, and this person thought that there could be a solid future with this individual, this Queen of Wands in reverse. But now they are realizing, they are seeing this person for the way it is. And they are realizing that, this person is in this energy where they were overly optimistic about their goals in life. Like, someone who lacks practical knowledge, someone who is not grounded enough, someone who has not seen difficulties in their life. So this person is actually, your person is actually falling away from this person because of those things. With the Justice being here, that's the balance. I think, this is the karmic lesson that they are learning. This person was very quick to judge. And for a lot of y'all, your person was in this energy where they felt for this Queen of Wands in reverse, because she or he would do anything to keep this person, especially in sexual nature. Yeah, I'm picking up on something like that. And this person fell into that trap because now they're realizing that, there's a huge cost for it to pay, because they have to work on something again. It's a part of their personality. Like, they keep falling for people. They are judgmental. They don't trust their own instincts. We have the Knight of Rods. There's something about, they, I don't know, but like, it's a very weird thing for me to say, but I'm just going to say it because it's coming up in the reading. Your person felt very physically attracted to this Queen of Rods, so to this Queen of Wands. And they were in this energy where they used to get a ick from this person, but they didn't really question it. They didn't really question why they would get the ick. They didn't understand it. but now they see things for the way it is. Like there's a karmic justice playing here, like something is happening. One second. Yeah, they didn't think much about it. They were like, okay, fine, like, because I'm working too hard and this person is just available. This person is from this similar work field. Maybe, some days are bad and some days I won't feel too passionately towards them. And they just try to work it out because this person is conventionally attractive. A lot of people find this person attractive. So your person was like, maybe there's something, in this connection which I cannot properly place. Like, I cannot place the feeling. And on the other hand, the connection that they feel with you it's very different. It's like, it's not you know what, like, okay, I'm just gonna say what I feel like saying. So this person, the person on your mind, the connection they feel with you is more than lust. It's more than passion. And with this Queen of Wands in reverse, it was very superficial. And now they're seeing it for the way it is. First, they didn't believe in this, but now they're seeing it for the way it is. And now they miss you. Okay. Tell me more about this person's energy towards my collective. Okay, we have the Queen of Cups and we have the Knight of Cups. You know what? Like, I'm picking up on this energy that your authenticity and your ability to understand bullshit and navigate through bullshit, you really saw this person for the way they are. You understood that, they are capable of utilizing their emotions to manipulate the situation. And you saw the situation for the way it is and you drew a boundary. And this person is hesitating to come towards you because of the same thing, because they don't know if they come towards you, what is going to be your action. You're focused on the future. You are not, I don't think you even think about this person. Like, it's like now that you are coming across this reading, maybe this person is in your mind for 10-15 minutes, maybe an hour, but like max to max an hour. And you're just focused on yourself, and this person is constantly thinking about that. With the Queen of Cups in reverse being here, this person is in this energy where they don't know how to come back in your life. They don't know how to come back in your life. That's the problem. That's the blockage. What's the future energy of this person? What's the future action of this person? We have the Emperor. You know what? Like, this is what happens in connections, like divine connections. Yeah, we have the Strength. This is what happens in divine connections. This is why I read. Okay, so you're helping this person become the emperor that they are, and they have to go through this. This is the journey that they cannot escape, and they have to go through this alone. And when they become an emperor, when they match their energy to your energy, that is when this block will be lifted, because the block is their mindset. There's no external block. No one is actually stopping them to come towards you and pursue you. Even you are not in that energy where you're going to reject this person. You haven't even made up your mind yet. You are just in this energy where you're just embracing like, you're just embracing the truth, and you're just moving forward towards your future goals. You're not even thinking about this person, and this person is working on their father wounds, and this person is working on certain aspects of themselves which need to be healed. So this person is going through a dark night of the soul. I'm picking up on a twin flame connection where the divine feminine has done her work and she has detached, and now this masculine is going through a ego death. That's what I'm picking up on. So yeah, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye, take care.